Okay, good morning, students. I hope you are doing well with your revision. Today I want us to look at trigonometry, and we are going to use a question in the most recent Kcse, which is Kcse 2023 Mathematics Paper 1, question number 6. The question reads, solve the equation cos 2 theta is equals to sine theta for this range between 0 radians to pi over 4 radians. Then you're supposed to leave your answer in terms of pi radians. Okay, so what you should do first, you first solve this one to get your theta. Okay, so we have cos 2 theta is equals to sine theta. Okay, so what do you know about when you have cosine is equals to sine? The cosine of this angle is equals to sine of this angle. So what should come to your mind is complementary angles, where we say that for complementary angles the cosine of one is equals to the sine of the other angle. Okay, so we are going to conclude that from this one 2 theta and theta, they are complementary. That it means that they add up to 90 degrees. Okay, so after you understand that one, to find theta will be simple. So we will just say that 2 theta then plus theta is equals to 90 degrees. Then you are going to have 3 theta is equals to 90 degrees. Then you divide both sides by 3. That one goes with that one. Then you are going to get that 90 divided by 3 will give you 30 degrees. So your theta is 30 degrees. Okay, so then from there, what we will do now, we are going to come and find the angle in which the ratio satisfies this range that we have here. Okay, so for us to find that one, we use the unit circle. So I'm just going to draw a sketch of a circle here. It looks like that, whereby in this side it is from 0 to 90 degrees, from 90 to 180 degrees, 180 to 270 degrees. Then you go back to 360 where we have 0 after getting to go through one rotation 360 degrees. So for this one, all ratios are positive. For this one, only the sine is positive. For this one, only the tangent is positive. And for this quadrant, the last one, cosine is only positive. Okay, then if you check very well, here our range is given in pi radians, so this one should not give you any stress. For you to convert, you should remember that 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. Okay, so having known that one, things will be easy. So like now we are given from 0. This 0 has no problem, but the highest value should be pi over 4 radians. So to convert that one, we have pi over 4 radians. We are just going to multiply with 180. That is very simple, degrees. Then we divide by pi radians. So that one, then for that one, 4, 1, then 180 divided by 4, you are going to get 45 degrees. So our range is the same as from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. So our 45 in our unit circle is just here, 45 degrees, somewhere there in the first quadrant. So which angle, which value of theta will satisfy that one in this first quadrant? We are only going to end up with our theta will be equal to 30 degrees. But remember, the condition is that you should leave your answer in terms of pi radians. So we are going to convert this one back. So we'll just take 30 degrees multiply by the reciprocal of this one here. So we just multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees, such that the degrees will cancel. Then we are going to divide 30 against 180 how many times? 6 times. So your answer is going to be equal to, your value of theta is going to be pi radians over 6. That is your final answer. So what you should note, student, is something very simple here. Just write it somewhere here. When you are converting from degrees to radians, pi radians, what you should do when you are converting degrees to pi radians, you just multiply. You multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees. Then when you are converting from pi radians to degrees, let me just write degrees there. This is theta. Then you just multiply by what? The reciprocal of this one. So you just multiply by 180 degrees over pi radians. So thank you. Continue with your revision. Remember, a good student revises daily.